Turning into Formula 1 in this game, in this alternate My Team Career Mode universe we're creating on this game. And I am so bloody excited for you guys to see the entire setup of this brand new season. We've got a really cool setup in terms of the way we're presenting this team. Of course, as you maybe heard there, Jensen a 50% stakeholder. So this team is now Aarava, Jensen, Team Rocket, RGN, and you can see that with the logos, the overalls as well. Really lovely new snazzy overalls. We've got Sky as a main sponsor because of course Jensen works at Sky Sports F1 at the moment. So just like in real life when Jensen did some GT driving in like the last year or so with his own team in GT, we've got Sky as a sponsor there. We've got a couple of his real life sponsors that he used in that GT sports team, and we can fully embrace the white and fluoro yellow of Brawn GP. A lot of you guys think they were quadrant colors, but the entire time they're always based off Brawn GP because of Jensen Button. So we can embrace the colors